Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm outside the Med Player 4-star Hotel Riudor here in Benidorm. This is the third in the series of 5 4-star hotel reviews that I'm doing while I'm in Benidorm. I did try and check in around about 12 o'clock, but they're very strict on check-in times. It is coming up now to check-in time, which is 2 p.m. So let's get checked in to the Hotel Riudor. Right, so all checked in. Room 201.
Cerrando puertas.
Doors closing.
Subiendo.
Going up.
Abriendo puertas.
Doors opening.
So all checked in. That took about 2 minutes to do the whole thing. Passport, payment details. Payment details were taken because you pay at the property with this one. A lot of hotels seem to be doing that now. Book it and pay at the property. This hotel is 4-star and it's half board. So that's what I booked for, one night only. So let's have a little look around this room. So again, as usual, the slot for your key card to activate the electricity. A very large mirror just as you come in. Your suitcase stand. Quite a good size flat screen TV. A mini fridge. It's not a mini bar, it's a mini fridge. A desk. A large mirror. Couple of chairs in here with a table. Your mugs, let's have a look at the mugs. They're going to be clean because this hotel was newly renovated this year. A selection of tea and coffee. Let's do this kettle check. It seems to be a thing people keep asking me for. Check the kettle and I can't even get it open. Check the kettle and make sure there's a hairdryer. It seems to be a theme going on with my channel. So that's clean, totally clean inside. And the beds. Here we go. Let me spin you around that way. 2 single beds pushed together. Power points. Now I know that there are 2 power points next to the kettle and a power point either side of the bed. Yes, power point there. I was just about to say there's no USB points, but I'm wrong. There are 2 USB points on that socket. 2 nice lamps and 2 reading lamps as well. There you go. In the colour scheme of this room, the whole hotel is giving me a nautical feel. And it does look really nice. Just let you have a little look around the room. Your wardrobe. Spare pillows. Shelving storage. And a safe. And this side is your hanging space. Plenty of hangers. So it's the bed check. I hate disturbing these beds, but we've got to check. As you can see from the pillowcases, the lines are on. The quilt covers, the lines are on where they've been pressed. Yes, they have pillow protectors. Let's move them out the way. Pull this right back. Yeah, spotless. Let's have a look for the mattress protector. And it does have a mattress protector on as well. So there you go, spotless bed. I wasn't expecting anything else, to be honest. Now this hotel is set back 3 roads. It's on the Calle Gerona, which is 3 roads back off the beach. So I'm not expecting much of a view from this one. So let's have a little look out on the balcony. So the view I've got is of the talk of the coast. If you know Benidorm, you'll know exactly where I am. The Waikiki bar. There's the Hotel Calypso, Flash, and you can just see the Pelicanos. So you'll know exactly where this hotel is situated. So that's my view overlooking the nightlife, to be honest. One last room to check, and that of course is the ensuite. Quite a good size ensuite. Very large walk-in shower straight ahead with the words medplayer.com on the screen. Toilet. Plenty of towels. The shower itself. It's very dark in the shower. No light in the shower. It is a large walk-in. Shaving mirror. Some hand cream. There are creams and shampoo in the shower as well. Dove. There we go. Your sink, a large mirror, 2 glasses, and the hairdryer. Only one power point in here, so you have to unplug the hairdryer if you need to plug anything electrical in. And a stool under the sink. Let's check out the rest of the Hotel Riudor. So it's time for me now to show you some of the food that's been available here at the Hotel Riudor. So, a very quick summary on this one because I'm running out of time and I've got to be out the room shortly. What do I think of the MedPlayer 4-star Hotel Riudor here on Calle Gerona in Benidorm? Location wise, if you are familiar with Benidorm, then it's opposite the Ambassador. Morgan's Tavern is just here and John and Joseph's is just behind me. The hotel itself is located in a very lively area, so if you don't like all the sounds of singers and disco music and stuff like that, it surrounds the hotel. Doesn't matter what side you're on, whether you're on the front, the back or the sides, you will hear that music till about 3 o'clock in the morning. So if you don't like a noisy hotel, this is not the one for you. Staff have been absolutely brilliant. The place was partially ripped out. It hasn't been fully renovated, it's partially ripped out because some of the old furnishings are still here. The bathrooms haven't been done, the bedrooms have been brightened up. The bar area, the lounge area and the reception and restaurant have been totally redone. So it's more of a partial renovation. Looks a lot brighter and it was only done this year. Right, the room itself, the beds, again, conked out, not a problem. I think it's because I'm doing a lot of walking as well. I'm just going out like a light, but really comfortable, good night's sleep. The shower, I thought, here we go, I'm going to have a cold shower because it took a while for the water to come through, but then when it did come through, it was hot. So really nice hot shower. Food-wise, can't fault the food. Cannot fault the food here again. A real change last night from some of the 4-star hotels that I've done, but I don't know if that's because they swapped the menus. Each night is different, and I fell on a more of a let's just say more of a mixed night because I had beef Rogan Josh last night and chicken kebab, which was a change from pork chops and chicken and stuff like that. It was a bit of a change. Really tasty, the Rogan Josh. So I think they must rotate the food here each night. I can't fault the food. Even the cooked breakfast this morning. One slight problem I've got with cooked breakfast now is I'm now on my I'm now on the third hotel out of the 5 4-star hotels, and it's starting to kill me to have a cooked breakfast again. So I think I'm gonna have to just start showing you the hot plates with the food on rather than the plates that I dish up for myself, because it's killing me to eat so much food. So I think it's cereal for me in the next hotel. I've got 2 more still to do, 2 more 4-star hotels to do out of the 5. Lovely bar area, lovely lounge area. They do have entertainment on as well. There was a full entertainment program for the whole week, which I've showed you previously in the video. I'm trying to think now. The beach, literally 2 blocks, 5 minutes walk away. Price wise, I think I've covered everything. I have, I think. If not, ask some questions. Price wise, single occupancy, I have to say this all the time because the price changes. If there's 2 people sharing this room, it'll work out cheaper for each person, but single occupancy you pay a little bit more. So single occupancy for a twin room, half board in a 4-star hotel. I'm gonna have to put these teeth in and try again. Single occupancy, half board in this 4-star hotel cost £77.14. Now that's sort of in the middle, because I've stayed in dearer 4-star hotels and I've stayed in cheaper 4-star hotels. So this is sort of right in the middle. So I'm going to hand this over to you now because I'm going to have to love you and leave you. What do you think of the Hotel Riudor? Have you stayed here in the past? When it was the old Riudor before it was partially renovated? Have you stayed here since it's been renovated? Do you think it is a 4-star? Do you think it should be a 3-star? I'm going to leave those questions all with you. Is it worth the price? What do you think of the food? What do you think of the decor? Loads and loads of questions I could ask you, but I'm moving on. So from me, Paul, here at the Hotel Riudor, I'm moving on to my fourth of the 5 4-star hotels that I'm reviewing while I'm here in Benidorm. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell. The reason why I keep saying do this is because if you do all them 3, then YouTube acknowledge that people are watching the video and it pushes this content out to more viewers. So it lets other people know what's going on my channel. Costs you nothing to subscribe, hit the button, and then you'll be part of the family. Gotta love you, leave ya. Moving on to the next one, 4th hotel, here I come. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.